International game here at JA Philippines. And this is the start of our quarter number one. Garcia with a free throw on the shot. That's a over. And he breaks the game. Pilipinas pa rin para sa rebound. And misses again. Nice this one. Back off the spin with three defenders. Five straight misses for the Philippines. Susubukan na natin ito. Here's si Malata. Fulcoyen Di Malanta. Here is Negeshi Masinori. Baseline shot. Para tayo ng Sinong FIBA World Cup, no? Japan versus Philippines. Here is Garcia. Gary finding an open spot at the middle. His teammate, Burgos. 5 seconds to shoot. Good defense from Japan. Good. Para sa Japan lang. Good. Parang tayo sa Pilipinas kayo na. Here's Garcia. Inside pass. Garcia with a kick out. Falls up for three to score. Nasunod with a rebound. Off to Nakamura. Here's Nakamura and the Rebecca's out. Nakamura masusubukan mo and managed to get that one out of line in the field goal. We are all tied up at all four dito sa ating quarter number one. As a reminder, 5 minutes substitution for both teams. We are on the 7-minute mark. Here's Nakamura. Off to Tanaka. Tanaka with open shot. Messes hit the top iron. Offensive rebound para kay Masinori. Back to number 4, Akira. Koichi Nakamura. With his first 2 points. 20 na. There is a foul. Foul for number 7. Gary Garcia with his first personal. Koichi. Sidestepping move that time para kay Hiroshi. Burgos. Dixon attacking in with 2 defenders. There is a foul. This is that free throw offensive rebound. 10 on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Ball stolen. A shot. In the top iron, batting for the rebound. Burgos again with the possession. Off to the ball fake. Gassos attacks, hand off. Gets another rebound, wala pa rin. Third try, nagtitigil na. Foul. Foul that time, foul for number 4. Here's next one. 3 minutes, 40 seconds remaining. 8-6 ang ating score. 3 puntos sa kalamangan for Japan. Dixon. 8 all ang ating score. Gassos attacks, hand off. Burgos jumping up. And there's a substitution. New sets of players. The ball will stay. Shot clock 30 seconds. Here's Rastus. Ito talaga. Off to Nixon. Trust board. Ball stolen. And the outlet goes all the way. Tatagdagan sa palo lang ng depensa. Bukas sa sala pa rin. And that time, pinapagawa niya lang yung depensa. Sa palabas. Ball stolen. Around the back. King out, half step move. Wala pa rin. Rebound that time para kay Takumi. Off to Kobayashi. Kobayashi with a kick out. Open shot. Short that time. Here's the Gaza at the start of the second quarter. Last score, binigyan ba para kay Ramirez? Off to Timalanta. Here's Boyet attacking in. Mighty guarded. And may pass. Here's Ramirez. Again, the score natin all 12, 5 for 3 now. Rebound this time para kay Hiroshi. Here's Yakuwa. Of number 18, Kobayashi. Yakuwa, missing that one. Man-to-man defense ngayon para sa Japan. Here's Nixon, close to the drive. Bola para kay Hiroshi Yakuwa. Here's Hiroshi. Back to number 7 and Masanori Negeshi gets big foul. Foul call available here. First free throw miss for Masanori Negeshi. To Messi, Kenneth and Lewis and off the glass. 7 foot. Inside, fading away, and Nixon again making that winner quarter number 2. Open shot and still miss. Pilipinas up by 8 points. 4 minutes remaining. Here now in quarter number 2. Here's Ramirez. Backs it up. For Gary. Garcia, free to line jumper. Shot miss. Ball tapped out. Ramirez picks up the rebound. Garcia with a finger roll this time. Japan now on the offense. Here's Godanaka. Loses it. 8-second violation. Turnover. And with the layup. Go ahead, layup. Last time para kay Go. Back it off. Under a minute to go. 16-22, 5 seconds on the shot clock. And that time, Texas, that